Now take a look at this phantom wallet, $4.4 million built from deving meme coins on repeat. No guessing games, no trading bullshit, just a strategy and timing. I'll show you exactly how I pulled it off. Now just a couple months ago I used to trade meme coins every single day, just scanning and trenching 24/7. My whole entire life was dedicated to trading meme coins, and every single time I bought into a brand new coin, which I thought I was early, but I wasn't. I was just exit liquidity for someone else's wallet. That's the worst part about trading, because you have no real control over your position. You could buy here, 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 and still lose all your money. It's fucking bad. Now, the actual people making money in this space, they're the ones deving, which means they're the ones creating the coin, pumping it up, and then dumping it for profits. That's the real money making method. You risk nothing at all by doing that, okay? Because since you are the creator, it's free to create, and you make money when you dump. But if you keep trading, you could potentially lose everything. That is what happened to me. But right now, with Bitcoin flying and Solana currently booming, it's the perfect time to start learning and deving right now. Make sure to keep watching. Now, quick reminder, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and everything here into this video is all AI generated. It's all fake. Yap! Now, most devs or most people go to Pump.Fun to launch coins because they think that it's the best platform to dev meme coins. But in reality, there's thousands of coins dropping every single minute, and most have no traction. That's because it's overflooded, okay? It's overcrowded. Pump.Fun used to be good, but now it doesn't work anymore. You don't even control your own liquidity on your own coin, and your project gets lost instantly in the sauce. That's exactly why I switched to create token.Io, because on this platform, all your coins gets a shit ton of visibility. Every single coin launches straight to Radium. It's immediately migrated onto the Radium DEX, so you are skipping the whole bonding curve, and you are going directly on this screen right here, which will be shown to thousands of potential traders and trenchers, and you get full control over the liquidity, and you get real momentum. That's exactly why thousands of devs are coming to create token.Io. Now, this platform gives you two simple options to create a coin. The first option is to start from scratch. So go on X, go on Instagram, go on TikTok, and look for a trending meme, narrative, subject, anything, right? Even news. It could be literally anything, okay? For example, Haster is gonna explode. That could be a good meme. Yeah, it could be literally anything, right? Once you have a good narrative, come back to create token.Io, give your token a name, a symbol, and then take a screenshot. So for example, I would take a screenshot of CZ with his chicks, and then I would put it right here, and after that, click next, and after a couple more steps, you are done. Your coin is created from scratch. The second method, that's my favorite one, because it's the method that prints the most amount of money, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now, all these coins right here are all proven coins already trending and exploding on Pump.Fun. All you have to do from now is copy one, and it will launch instantly onto Radium, like I said. And since all these coins already have hype and volume into them, you will see immediate buys and faster flips from the start. I would highly recommend to copy coins over and over again to build out that capital or just money to play around with. Alright, let's stop fucking yapping, overthink this. I am launching a coin right now in front of you guys so you can see exactly how quick and easy it is. So first of all, make sure you connect your Phantom wallet to the website. If you do not have a Phantom wallet, well, you are cooked, just install it. Then click on refresh list to have all the new coins. Now let's look for a coin to copy. Shit, I'm gonna go for the Pump.Fun. Why? Because Halloween is coming. There's a last buy 12 seconds ago and the $26,000 market cap. So click on create coin, ignore the warning, okay, and just click on proceed, confirm, or understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created. All you have to do is just wait a couple seconds, and boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is simple. We're just adding liquidity into your own coin. That's what lets people buy, sell, and trade your coin instantly onto Radium once it goes live. This is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to create, okay? This is the juicy part because you are making money from this. Now for the amount token A, just click on 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool. Right under for the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own pool. You're not losing anything here. It's just locked into the liquidity. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, but when you remove the liquidity later, that Solana that you put right here for the first buy will come right back inside your wallet. I'm gonna put 0.35 Sol for the first buy, which is a bit above the minimum just to be safe, and you will get it back later. Click on create pool and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh on the bottom like right, and if you scroll down, boom, the Pump.Win coin is on live. Our profits are at $0 though, but if you click on the refresh button for a second time, now we're up $215 because people are now buying our coin through Radium. That's why it's so fucking good, because now thousands of people are viewing the coin and they're gonna decide if they want to buy in. Now click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for you guys just so you know see better the chart. It has to load in because we are actually oh, what the fuck happened? Because we were actually late. Yeah, now it's live. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? It's pumping so much! Okay, now it's time to dump the coin! Actually, no, I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump. Yo, guys, look at this. We're already up like a couple $100, okay? This is the power of create tokens.io mixed with Pump.Fun and with Radium. It's actually insane. Now, obviously, it is gonna go back down because people are cashing out the profits. That's normal. Every single time there's a pump, it is gonna retrace down and go higher. Now, guys, the market cap is at 1.8k. Let's go. 33 bucks, 50 bucks in my wallet, and a 1.2k liquidity. That's not bad. Okay, come on, pump. Just did a higher high, now it's doing a higher low, so which means it's bullish, right? So it's gonna go really fucking high. Now I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump, and I'm gonna be right back when it's time to cash out some money. Okay guys, I'm back. We are pushing $4,000 in market cap, 183% fucking profits, 1.8k in liquidity. Things are looking good. Now if you want to make some money off this coin or off any coin you want, come back to create tokens.io real quick, and then make sure to click on refresh first of all. And now as you guys can see, we're up $1.6 thousand because it's fucking insane. Like, just look at the coin. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money right here by clicking on this button. And now as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive this amount of money in Solana. Click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you dev and launch and create meme coins on the Solana blockchain and make bread. If I open my Phantom wallet real quick, boom! 1.7 grand right in my wallet. It's actually a cheat code. By the way, if you want to win 3 Sol like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my free Telegram group down below for all the information. Bye!